Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha, and today we are going to talk about capital gain investing for August. So the goal of this account is for me to buy a car. So I would like to get a car. So, but how much am I targeting to buy a car for is 6,000. So the balance for this account is about 1,500. So we are not too far from the goal. So, but we are going to invest this little money that we have and keep adding more money so we can achieve our targets. So let's see what we are going to buy today. So before I had some position that I was holding, and this one was SCHD, and I sold it today because I want the cash to buy a stock that I feel like it could grow in a very short period of time. So I only make $2.96. And then I had also SOXL. So XOXL, this is the total amount from the previous one. So today I only make around $7. So it add up like previously I had $26 that I made as a profit, and then today I had $7 and something like that. XEI, I had only 2 shares and I made $4.84. So this is all capital gain. But I had done some transaction on for exchange. So before you exchange and buy US stocks, so you need to change your Canadian dollars to the US dollars. And the easier way and the cheaper way that you do it is by using the Norbert Gambit process, where you have to journal your shares of DLR.TO to DLR.U.TO. So I went through the process, and now I had this one, which was in US dollars, and then I sold it. So when I sold it, I got the amount that I wanted for US dollar. So the process of Norbert Gambit is a long process, and it has a separate video. If you would like to watch it, you can find it in the link below. So now let's go and see how much money we have and what stocks we want to buy today and why. So from my research and among all the ETFs and individual stock that I buy or I've had experience with, so today I'm going to deal with Home Depot. And Home Depot is really volatile. It's always like moving, and you can easily achieve the capital gain that you want to achieve with. And because I do the dollar cost average, so I will buy less today and then keep adding on to Home Depot or add other individual stocks if I want. So for you to really see where the Home Depot is standing today, you have to type in the HD and you will see what is going on here with Home Depot. The last time I checked, which is yesterday, Home Depot was 419. Today is 424, which is it has already grown for 5%. So, and that is what I am really looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Look at the chart. Let's say the chart is full featured. So how long will it take for the Home Depot to move? It can move anytime. It can move anytime. It can grow 2%. It can grow 5%. This is only a day chart for Home Depot. And look at what has been going on just today, which is 9/11. So it's 9/11 today, just today. Look at what is been going on with Home Depot. This is yesterday. You see, yesterday this is where the price was, which is 416 around that time, and then it went to 415. That was yesterday. It's not long time ago. So to see how volatile Home Depot is, but because it's a company that you trust, so you can really dollar cost average with this company because you know Home Depot is stable. So, and you want to invest your money in. So that's the strategy that I use. So Home Depot is a stable company and it has some volatility for it to qualify as my capital gain stocks. The stock has to have some little bit of volatility. You don't want to just put your money there and hold them. It's not moving and it's not doing anything. So this is like the Home Depot. So yesterday it was at that point, and then today it booms, right? So maybe tomorrow it will reverse back and goes down. And since my strategy is to buy and hold and then keep buying, which is the capital, no, dollar cost average strategy. So I would build it over time, hoping that I will get the capital gain that I'm targeting with. Strategy, the company is stable company. So that's what I'm using. But let's say if anything happens, so what is my risk tolerance? So another way I manage my risk or help me to take opportunities is that I am well diversified. So under my account, I have several companies. So if anything happen and then our good Home Depot is gone. So will I be able to make that amount of money that I lost from Home Depot from this other stock? Of course, yes. So that is where I really measure my risk tolerance. So it's fine. Let me put this money and I will dollar cost average and get the amount that I would like to get. So that is about the chart. And when we go back, so we'll go back and then buy Home Depot. If this one is already past 52 weeks high at this point, so this information is missing, right? But if you're buying Home Depot for dividend, so you will get $2.30 quarterly. So this is a quarterly dividend stocks. So is it worth it? So can you buy one share for 423 and then make $2.30 per quarterly? So let's say, for example, if you use this price, let's say you buy today, so the 10 shares of Home Depot will cost you 4,000, right? 4,230-ish, right? And then you have $2.30 times 10, right? So you will get around $20. You will get around $20. Yeah, you will get around $23 per share, $23 for those 10 shares quarterly, right? Is it worth it? Can you keep your 4,000 to get only $23 every 3 months? Right. So, or do you just want to use it for capital gain? So this one is up to you. Yeah, it's up to you for 4,000. Yeah, I know like some other companies that are paid dividend, 4,000 will give you more money in dividends. So it's up to you if you can use Home Depot for capital gain or use it for dividend. So it will not be my first choice for dividend, but it is my first choice for capital gain because of volatility that it has. So that's what it is. So now let's buy some Home Depot. So the amount that we have in our account at this moment can only buy has 2 shares because it's expensive, right? So let's see how much we are going to. So the amount that we have in this account in US dollar can only buy has 2 shares of Home Depot. So let's see. So if you look at the screen now, the screen here, so you're buying 2 shares of Home Depot and it's going to be 847 that you will spend. But because I have that membership, oh, so I didn't know like this membership come with a lot of benefits. So look at me now, I'm not paying any commission when buying US stocks or Canadian stocks because of that membership plus. So I thought, oh, this is too much money to pay every month. But now I see it's worth it. So this is no amount that I'm going to pay here. So my 2 shares are going to be only 847. So let's see how Home Depot is going to do here. And we will move from there. So if you send, it's going to buy or it will put you in a waiting list. So let's see if it went through. Yeah. So now you see you have 2 shares of Home Depot and it's already reading red, right? So, but our strategy is dollar cost average. We keep buying, and we trust in this company. So we'll keep buying more and see how much capital gain we are going to get. Okay. So that's about it. XEI.to is really moving. So let's see how much money we have now. So we have cash. We have cash balance for 186 US dollars, and we have cash balance of $70 Canadian, $70 Canadian. So can we buy ETFs for Canadians under this one? Because sometimes they're very easy and cheap. So let's see, can we buy VRE? VRE is, so it's supposed to be VRE.TO. So the Vanguard one. So let's see how much today. 35. So 70 will be 2 shares, and that one will be higher. So let's see. VDY is that expensive? So let's stop it. Now VDY is going up and up and up. So let's see XIC. These are type of ETF, Canadian ETF that I buy for capital gain or sometime like dividend. So it's fine. So now maybe I'm just going back to XEI. I just sold it, but it's fine. So I think that's where I can still buy 2 shares. So now let's buy 2 shares of XEI and see what will happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and we will wait for next week for another. We're buying XER, 2 of them. It's high, but 2 shares of XER, and we are paying zero commission. It's going to cost us $60.98. The balance is going to be $9.16. So when you send it, we will have new position, which will add up to our previous position, and that would be about it for capital gain for October. So today I'm going to get paid and I'm going to add more money into this account, and we keep growing. Let's see our positions are here. So you see, Home Depot is already positive. You see, I told you like Home Depot has some sort of volatility. So it has that. So maybe tomorrow it might open at 439 or something like that. So let's check tomorrow because we are taking every little capital gain that we get. Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something, and I will see you next time when we do more capital gain investing. Stay tuned and